Check spelling 1. Download the file Customer Demographics and Sales Lab 5.xlsx. Upload and open it using Excel for the web. 2. Select column L credit card type, then click Review tab and select Spelling. 3. Click the correct suggestion to change the spelling. Note: don't change AJCB spelling when doing the spell check. We will need JCB for the exercise 1 task D. 4. Close the spelling pane, remove empty rows, press Ctrl Home, then press Ctrl Shift End to select the whole datasheet. On the Data tab, click Filter. Press Ctrl plus Home, click the filter arrow in the Cust Name column, and then click Filter. Click the Select All checkbox to deselect all of them. Then select just blanks, then OK. Select first row, then press Ctrl Shift End to select all rows. Right-click the selected rows, and then click Delete Rows. Finally, on the Data tab, click Clear, then click Filter. Remove duplicate rows, select column T, Order ID, since Order ID values are unique. On the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting. Highlight cells rules, duplicate values, and then click OK. Select the whole datasheet, Ctrl plus Shift Blend. On the Data tab, click Remove Duplicates. In the Remove Duplicates dialog box, ensure that Select All Columns is checked and that My Data Has Headers is also checked, then click OK. In the pop-up box informing you how many duplicate values were found and removed, click OK. Use Find and Replace to correct misspelling. On the Home tab, click Find and select. Click Find. In Find What, type JCB and click Find All. Click Replace. In Replace With, type JCB, click Replace All, and then click the close icon. On the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting. Clear rules. Clear rules from entire sheet.